not going to get quiet, but that's okay. I've gotten a lot of questions about stretchy wraps, and most of them have people sharing photos in their stretchy wrap, and some of the terminology that people are using to give advice seems to be not understood or being misunderstood. So I just wanted to take a few minutes to share some of those specifics. I'm going to wait for a couple people to join, and then I will get to it. Hey, sweetie. Can you be quiet for a few minutes? Yeah.
What about if he wants out?
She's fine. Alright, so I keep seeing... I know, but sweetie, I need you to be quiet for 5 minutes for me, okay?
And then 5 minutes again?
And then 5 minutes again.
But
Okay.
then that's what I want you to do me.
I will use you as my demo baby next, okay? Okay. Alright, so we keep seeing people post photos of stretchy wraps and talking about it not feeling secure or comfortable, or is this a good fit? And one of the most common phrases that you'll hear when people talk about a stretchy wrap is that you have to use 3 layers. And those 3 layers, I love this wrap for this purpose. I've got a blue layer, a green layer, and a purple layer. And the reason that I wanted to make a quick video is that most of the people I'm talking to have their baby up and it looks a little bit like this. Their baby's there, they might have a few layers like this, and what we're seeing is that they have 3 layers of fabric but they're not overlapping, and that's going to really affect your support. So what I wanted to show you is taking down my outer layer, this purple layer, is what I really have going on under here, so that when people talk about using 3 layers, it makes sense. So right now, you can see I've got this green layer, this blue layer, and the purple. But I don't ever actually have 3 layers over baby. I have 1 layer over here, and when the purple was up, that was 2. Right in this area, I would have only had 1 layer, the purple. Over here, I only had the blue and the purple, so it was only really 2 layers. So when we talk about needing 3 layers in a stretchy wrap, you want all 3 layers to be supporting baby's body. So I'm going to bring this blue layer down too. When we talk about needing your wrap to go knee pit to knee pit and shoulder to shoulder, this green should go knee pit all the way over here, all the way over here to this other knee pit, and all the way across baby's body. And you can see I'm now covering a lot more of baby, and I'm giving baby a lot more support. And there's a whole tightening piece to this, but just today I wanted to talk about the 3 layers because we keep seeing it come up. So you want to make sure that this green layer goes all the way over to baby's knee pit. And then we're going to do the same with the blue layer. And again, all the way across baby. So that in the end, I'm actually going to have 3 full layers going over baby. All the way to this knee pit, all the way across baby's torso, and in this knee pit that's hiding over here. See? You can already see that I have a lot more material over baby than I had before. And then I have this purple layer, and he goes all the way up. So now when I look at this section of my wrap, I have 3 layers. I have the purple. Oops, I got the blue caught in there. I have the blue, and I have the green. I have 3 layers. If I were to think over here, I've got purple, I've got blue, and I've got green. 3 layers over baby. Anywho, it keeps coming up as we talk about support and head positioning, and we really want to make sure that each layer goes knee pit to knee pit, so the green, the blue, and the purple. You also want to make sure each layer comes across baby's torso to support them, and then you can make adjustments to ensure that baby's airway remains clear. So you can flip a shoulder like this. You can flip a shoulder underneath, which I find stays better, but whatever floats your boat. So again, I'm kind of opening up and making sure there's that clear airway, but I still have 3 supporting baby the whole way across. Anywho, it's come up in a few posts, so I hope that that makes sense, that you want to make sure each one, knee pit to knee pit, shoulder to shoulder, each layer, the green, the blue, and the purple. So I'm just going to bring this down, peel back my blue, peel back my green. So those are really big layers. You don't just want half of baby supported, you want all of baby supported by each layer. And again, I'm not tightening all the way on purpose because I keep pulling it up and down, but we keep seeing the same questions come up, and I want to make sure that people had that quick visual of each of those layers. All right. Hi. Thanks so much for stopping in, and hopefully this helps a few of the questions that we've been getting.